In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Leapix AI to create images. To get started, type Leapix AI in your browser and click on the first link. You will be directed to the website where you will need to create an account. Click on the sign in button and then click on create an account. Fill in your details and click on next to proceed. If you wish, you can use a temporary email for this purpose. Once you have filled in your details, create your password. Click on I have read and accepted the terms and then click on confirm. A verification code will be sent to you, which you will need to use to verify your email. Now click on the upload button and upload your photo. You will see a cool animation that will be applied to your photo. You can customize the animation length, animation style, amount of motion, focus point and other features according to your preferences. By clicking on the share link, you can also download some presets. If you want to create a GIF, click on the GIF button and select full size before clicking on save. The file will be downloaded successfully. Once you have downloaded the file, click on it to check your animation. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.